Today I am press right. This is in connection with the press statement of Honorable Minister Shri Kiran Rijiju through this PTI. So in these connections, the Honorable Minister Shri Kiran Rijiju, the statement is really very unfounded of union ministers. The present situation still continue, the tension still continue, the violence still continue, and in fact, it is adding fuels to the fire. The statement is a provocating statement. It should not blame to the people of Manipur, to border communities. His statement on the present violence, saying that those people who blame the central government is a very fully days. The statement is very condemnable. It is in fact is a very provocating to the people of the entire Manipur. It is a totally failure of the state government to control the violence happens since 3rd of May. We know that the present government already admitted present violence was due to the failure of the law and order of the state. That has been stated by the presidency ministers in the public platform, and also admitted that the present violence was happened due to the failure of the intelligence. That was clearly stated by the presidency ministers. So how can the Honorable Union Minister Shri Kiran Rijiju stated that it was happened due to the two community, due to the conflict of these two community? It is quite baseless. Rather, it is very provocating to the present violence. At the same time, I should say that it is happening here due to the inactions of the both government, central and state governments. Due to the failure of the administration as well as the law and order, it is happening now. So many innocent people were died, and this more than 60,000 displaced people still in the relief camp. Many different union ministers stated on different versions. Kiran Rijiju, he stated that it is due to the two community, not it is not that. And also blaming the people instead of taking their seriousness on the administration and the law and order. That's why I'm saying that it is very unfounded. It is not correct. And the statement on the verdict of the Honorable High Court, that is also not related. He is mentioning on the orders of the Honorable High Court. That is, in fact, that is not related at all, because on 3rd of May, the solidarity rally was in Urkul, Senapati, Tamil. Why was not there in other hill district? Why it is happening only in Suchanpur? Tensions was there in Suchanpur, that was in connection with the inaugural program for open gym. That was there to be inaugurated by the Honorable Chief Minister in Suchanpur town. On that day, the inauguration was destroyed by the Suchanpur people. Since then, the tension was erupted. So in fact, it is not related with the order of the Honorable High Court. And at the same time, different versions from the different union ministers we have. So, Union Minister of Defense has stated the present violence is because of the illegal plantation of the poppy, and all at the same time these Union Ministers of External Affairs stated that due to the porous fencing and due to the entering of the illegal migrants over in the hill district of Manipur. So that is also different versions. So my concern is that the present violence is going to divert by the different versions of the different union ministers over the state of Manipur. Why the Prime Minister is silent, still silent? It has been completed 10 months and the Honorable Prime Minister is silent on the matter. He is not concerned of our present violence in Manipur. He never speak particularly for Manipur. So that is also very very important that the people of Manipur all the time asking on that. Why the Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister is silent. Different versions of the different union ministers. It is a term to divert the present violence. Government is not serious. State government is, both the central and the state government is not serious on Manipur issue. That is why they are all the time going to divert the present violence. There are many displaced people in the different relief camps. They are suffering. More than 60,000 people are suffering now. How can the family, how can the students, children live in the relief camp for more than 10 months? You see the problems faced by the different displaced people over there in the different relief camp. Still, people are suffering. It should not be blamed to the people. By neglecting their responsibility, they are blaming to the people. In fact, it is there is a question of the responsibility of the government, both the center and the state. It should not blame to the people of Manipur. No, the statement is totally false. And it should not blame to the people. In fact, it is a provocating to the people of Manipur.